All right, welcome back. After the break, we will start with the next important term, which is survey. Right now, what is a survey? Everybody knows uh, survey. We have been, participating in a way, lot of surveys in our lives, right? So basically, survey is a simple form or simple question answers, okay, questionnaire with the intention of getting feedback, with the intention of getting some data, correct? Or we can also call it a collection of data. Yes, correct. So you remember I've sent you a form. Okay, in that form, um, during the registration phase of this course, I sent you a form which will have which had all the details, all the questions. Yes or no? Right. So basically, survey, we will be doing survey while doing digital marketing. We'll understand what is the value of doing survey, what are the tools available for us which we can use. In this case, in my case, I had sent you a Google form. Okay, now Google form is a free tool by Google with which you can create your own forms and you can send it to your clients or you can send it to your team. Okay, so we will use that. Let's go to the next one. So Google form is a way of doing surveys. All right, it's a survey tool. Like that, there are many other forms, but Google Forms is by far the best. Okay, there are other ones. Okay, WP forms are there. WP forms, that is also a very good tool. Okay, that's for WordPress. All right. Now, SHA encryption. You remember secure hashing algorithm that the SSL certificate uses, right? So you guys have already we have already covered SHA. Currently, we are using 256 SHA for our SSL certificate. Correct? Yes or no? Now you guys have to do the homework. You have to research about SHA encryption, and you have to write and let me know. Okay? Fair enough. Any questions on SSL certificate and SHA algorithm? Any questions? Yes, no? Okay. Okay. Let's understand RFP and RFQ. Okay. The RFP and RFQ, you will find this mostly when you're dealing with a client and a vendor relationship, especially when you're doing freelancing work. All right. Now, freelancing work simply means that, like for example, you're working on as a freelancer for in domestic clients, or you're working as a freelancer for international clients. Okay, regardless, you have to send them an invoice, and then you have to send them a proposal, right, of the work that you will do. You have to send them a bill invoice saying that this is what the cost is, and then based on that they will pay you. Correct. So that is RFP, means request for proposal. Okay. RFQ is request for quotation. Okay. So what if somebody, if you have a work, okay, if let's say you want to buy 10 computers, so what you'll say, please send me the quotation, okay, to the vendor, right, to the manufacturer. I want to buy 10 computers. I will call up the computer guy and I'll say, hey, you know what? I want to buy 10 computers. Can you please send me the RFQ or quotation? Okay, so I will send an email saying that requesting for quotation for 10 computers to them. They will send me RFP, request for proposal. Okay, they will send me a proposal saying that it will cost this much. If I agree, then I'll say, okay, yes, go ahead. And then they will send me the final invoice. Fair enough? RFQ, RFP. Any questions, any doubts on RFP and RFQ? Request for quotation and request for proposal. Okay, right? Okay, sir, explain once again. Okay, so okay, let's say you want to buy 10 computers. Okay, Lipo. So if you want to buy 10 computers, what you'll do? You'll go to the shop and say, I want to buy 10 computer. Correct? Yes or no? Okay. But that shop is in Delhi. Will you go to Delhi all the way? No, right? So usually what in companies, what they do, what companies do, they send an email. Okay. So what email they'll send? They'll send a RFQ email. RFQ. Okay. They will send an email. Let's say I'm the seller. Okay. You will send a request email requesting for quotation. Request for quotation. You want a quotation, right, from me? How much it costs? Correct. Because see, you're buying 10, right? So you're not buying single piece. You're buying bulk, right? So obviously bulk pricing will be different than single pricing. Okay, wholesale price. Correct. Yes or no? So at that time, you will ask me to send a quotation. Okay, I will send you a RFP, request for proposal. I will send you a quotation basically. Okay, I'll say, oh, thank you so much for contacting us. Yes, we have 10 stock available right now. The market price is 10,000, but I will give you for 8,000. Okay, that this is my proposal attached with this email, and in this proposal, you will see 10 computers, market price 10,000, but I'm giving you bulk price 8,000 per piece, so it's 80,000 rupees. Okay, please let me know. So you will open that email. You'll say, oh, nice. Okay, you will also send the same quotation to others also, right? Not only to one vendor, right? You will send it to multiple people, right? Whoever gives the best deal, you'll buy. Yes or no? So I go ahead and buy. So I ask for everyone to send quotation. Please send me a quotation. Please send me a quotation. Please send me a quotation. Whoever gives the best quotation to me, I will send a proposal. Okay, I will propose them saying that please. Okay, so you send it. I will send you the money. Fair enough? Clear? Anybody? Any other question? Any doubt? Anyone else? Any questions? Any doubts? Clear? Okay, great. Everybody can type clear. Santiwala, Tamjanaro, everyone. Okay, great. All right. So the next word is SLA. I think we have briefly touched about SLA, right? Now, for example, SLA is service level agreement. Write down, guys. Service level agreement. Now, I'll give you an example. Okay, let me stop this. This is the most important term that you will see in your life. Okay, whether you're working for a company or whether you're working as a freelancer, the most important term is SLA. What is it? Okay, before we start, anybody heard about this? Okay, Santiwala? Okay, great. Nobody heard of this, but you'll be surprised to know, right from childhood, you are doing this. Okay, well, I'll tell you how. This is called service. Okay, service. L stands for level. Okay, and A stands for agreement. Agreement. Okay, service level agreement. It simply means time for something. I'll explain it to you. When you were in school, your teacher used to give you homework, yes or no? Everybody, come on. When you were in school, teacher used to give you homework, yes? Okay, everybody says yes. Okay. Now, after giving homework, teacher used to also tell when you have to submit the homework. Yes or no? And you guys used to agree saying that yes, we will submit. Yes or no? Correct? So basically that is called SLA, service level agreement. Service level agreement. You are agreeing to providing a service level. What level? Service level. Okay. When somebody gives you a task, they also give you terms and conditions, right? That today is a Monday example. Okay. Let's say today is a Monday. I want this work to be done by Friday. Will you be able to do it? Let's say the client is asking Mirren. Okay. Mirren says yes. Client is asking Lipo. Lipo says maybe. Yeah, not yes, not no. It might take Saturday. Okay. Fair enough. So for Mirren, the service level agreement will be to submit it by Friday. Okay. For Lipok, it will be to submit it by Saturday. Okay. Now, since Mirren said it's going to be Friday, no matter what, it has to be submitted by Friday. If it doesn't, what will happen? Mirren will get a penalty by the client. Penalty. Okay. Yes or no? Okay. Let's say there is a application that you have to launch. Okay. If in case you have, and then you have to launch it by Friday. Okay. And then that application you said, yeah, every client is said, yeah, fine. That cost $1,000. Okay. And you said, yeah, I'll make the application, the website and everything will be ready. Okay. It will be ready by Friday. But Monday to Thursday, you're partying, you're enjoying. Okay. Because you got $1,000 paid. You're so happy, right? You forgot that you have to finish the work also. Friday, you come back, inform that I'm not well. Sir, I'm so sorry. It will never happen again. But I'm not well. I'm very ill. What do you think client will do? What do you think client will do? Client will be happy. Client will say, oh, it's okay, no problem. Yeah, exactly. Penalty regardless. So client will say, I have given you $1,000, right, to make the development. You have agreed to develop it by Friday. And Friday, you're telling me that you are sick, you're not well, and you cannot submit. Now the penalty is you have to pay me $1,000 back, plus the amount of time that you wasted from Monday to Friday. That's another $1,000. So now you have to give me $2,000. So Monday to Friday, what you were enjoying, okay, all of a sudden you'll start crying on next weekend. You know why? $2,000 loss. Now you say, who cares? Okay, I don't care. I will not pay $1 or 1 rupee also. He said, fine, no problem. He will leave you a nice feedback on. He'll leave a nice feedback on your LinkedIn. Okay, and he will also inform Google. Okay, Google. So he'll leave a Google review also. Okay, and whichever platform give you a job. Let's say you got the job from Upwork. He will inform Upwork also. Okay. Now, before getting a job, you have to validate everything: your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, okay, your photograph, your picture, your email address, your phone number, everything you have to validate. Upwork has all the information. They will block you immediately. Okay, even if you change your phone number, okay, later on you'll not be able to do it. Even if you, um, see, you can change your email address, you can change your phone. Can I change a picture? No. Can you change your PAN card? No. Can you change your Aadhaar card? No. Right? Eventually, you'll get blocked. Now, penalty is still there. Okay. If you say, "Oh, I'm so sorry, I was a child at that time, I forgot. Please excuse me," they'll say, first pay the penalty. Okay, then we'll unlock the profile. Now to unlock the profile also you have to pay penalty, double penalty. Understood? That's why is it so all instead of all this nonsense, is it is it not easier to just stick to the SLA? Monday to Friday you have agreed, just finish the work and then party, right? Yes or no? Which is more easier? Being unprofessional is easier or being professional? Type. Which one you want to be? Professional or unprofessional? Everybody. I see Lipok and Miran saying professional. What about others? Right? Okay. So okay. So SLA is very important. When I tell you, when I give you homework, okay, you guys are doing half homework, 50% of the homework. Okay. But I'm not saying anything. You are doing unprofessional work. Okay. Unprofessional. Unprofessional. Okay. But I'm not saying anything. Okay. Shall I also introduce penalty system or what do you guys say? Why? 500 rupees per day. I think that's a good penalty. What do you call? What do you say, guys? Huh? Min says no. Lipok says no. Whoever doesn't do homework properly, 500 rupees penalty. I think it's a good model. What do you say? Santiwala? Simjin Naro? Yes or no? I'll put yes. 500 is a lot. Okay. Then I'll make it 5,000. Even better. Then people will be very serious. Yes or no? So, jokes apart, the point is if, okay, so that is for the freelance. Okay, you will get a penalty. If you're working for a company and then you behave unprofessionally, you don't do the work, okay, you're on the phone all the time and you miss the deadline. What will happen in the office? Okay, in your office. Let's say you've joined a big office and then you do like this. So you'll get three warnings. Warning one, okay, it is verbal. Okay, verbal. So manager will come, call you, and he will tell you verbally, and he will note down. It's a first warning. Second warning is always written. Okay. Second time, if you do that, a written warning. By the time, okay. Third time also you do the same thing. Okay. HR will call you. Manager will not call you. HR will call you, and they will say thank you. Okay. This thank you is a different thank you. Okay. You understand or not? Everybody understood? Who wants this thank you? Okay. Libuk says no, not me. Others? Timjan Naro, Santiwala, you want this type of thank you you want? No, right? Nobody wants. Why? Because this thank you means Tata bye bye. Okay? Out of the company. By the time you get first warning, by the time you get second warning, remember guys, any promotion for that year, okay? Any promotion for that year, let's say you got first warning and second warning in 2024. Okay? Both in the same year. Any promotion you will not get for that year. If you have one strike, two strike. 3 strikes, though, you're not in the company only, so don't worry about it. Okay, you're gone. Okay. First, second strike also, it's dangerous because you'll not get any promotion. Okay. So that's why it's very important from day one to behave yourself, to have a professional approach. Okay. In office, not to do ha ha he he. Okay. And then not to chit chat. Okay. You am I clear? Yes or no? You have to be very professional. Do your work, go home. Simple. And home. And at the end of the month, enjoy your salary. Okay. If you're unable to do some work, let's say you don't know how to do it, clearly say, sir, I'm not sure how to do this, but little bit I know. Let's say they want you to do a UI UX work. So you say, yeah, I've done UI UX. Okay, I know WordPress, I know this, I know UI UX little bit, but I don't know how to complete it. If somebody can help me, I will be able to learn faster and do it. Okay, then the project manager or the manager will understand that, okay, you don't know. So what they will do, they will make you sit with someone who knows. Okay, and together you guys will be working, both of you guys. Okay, and then you will deliver the project by Friday, right? In that process, what will happen, you learn also the new technology. Yes or no? You learn how to work also. Next time when the same project comes, he'll give it to you directly. Fair enough? Yes or no? Okay, so SLA is the most important part of your life. From now onwards, I want you guys to pay attention to SLA. If I give you the homework, I need the homework before the time. Okay, time is very important in SLA. After time, what is important is quality. Anything which is less quality will not be accepted. Do you think it will be accepted by client or office when you do low quality work? Yes or no? No, right? So time is not accepted. All the foreign countries, okay, all developed countries, they always have SLA. They always use SLA. In the Asian context, if you say Japan, number one in SLA, number one, they will die, but they will never breach SLA. It's a shame for them. That's why have you seen the Japanese culture? Everybody is so hardworking and so smart. Yes or no? Right? Because they respect SLA. Okay. And then if they tell you by Friday means Friday. 1 minute, if the train is, they have a bullet train. You know that, right? Everybody? They have a bullet train. And let's say this is a bullet train. Okay. That's not how it looks, but then imagine. Okay. Let's say there's a bullet train. If the bullet train here in India, what happens is we don't know when the train is coming. They say 11:30. Everybody is waiting. It's almost 12:45. The train is still late. Correct? And we just wait, chit chat, and we laugh, right? Yes or no? Yes. In Japan, when they say 11:30 and the train reaches at 11:31, okay, 1 minute late, okay, the driver, okay, the pilot, they call it pilot, okay, he personally comes down, he stands near the gate, okay, he stands near the gate, and then all the passengers who go right from here, the main gate, he apologizes to everyone. He says, "I'm sorry." Every passenger he will apologize. The government of Japan, okay, the 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 Japanese railways, they issue a letter, apology letter to all the passengers. Okay, why that letter? All the people who are late, 1 minute late, they can now show that in their office. Why they are 1 minute late? You getting my point? Everybody understood? That is the right way of living. Do you agree? Yes or no? Or do you want to live like this? 11:30, 12:45. We don't know what is happening when. Yeah. So that is the real meaning of SLA, service level agreement. The service level agreement was to reach the train at 11:30. The train was 1 minute late. So it is their responsibility. This guy's responsibility, and the entire team's responsibility. So he will apologize, and the Japan Railways will also apologize, and they will issue the letter to every passenger. And immediately, it happens. It immediately comes in the app. Okay, that so and so person traveling from so and so places on a train, and today in the morning it became late 1 minute, and we really apologize. It will never happen again. That letter they show it to the office, because in the office also they're 1 minute late. 1 minute, guys. Can you believe that? That is Japan. That is why Japan is what it is today. You agree or not, everybody? Okay. Anyway, so the point is, that's why I really like Japanese way of work, and I like Japanese culture in terms of work, in terms of creativity, everything. Okay, look at anime, look at manga, look at everything. They're top notch. Okay, it's better than K-pop and Korean culture. Okay, the more you realize, the more you think about it, you'll come to know. Right. Anyway, that is not the point. The point is SLA. Okay, service level agreement. Whoever breaches it is not professional. Okay, whoever is not willing to do it is not professional. He is unprofessional. All right, he or she is unprofessional. So everybody who is assigning you work, they will test you from day one only, whether you're a professional person or an unprofessional person. If you breach SLA, okay, then you are definitely unprofessional. And it once you get the tag in the office, then it's very difficult to remove that tag. Okay, always remember, guys. Once people start calling you unprofessional in the office, no, it will be very difficult to remove that tag. You have to work 10 times harder to prove them that that was just a mistake. You guys agree or not? In the school also it happens. In the college also it happens. Yes? Yes or no? Right? So they never get this kind of tag. Okay. In no matter how I've worked in multiple companies. Okay. In all the companies, I'm not bragging. Okay. All the companies, everybody used to managers used to give my example to others, saying that why can't you become like that? Okay. Even now, manager, I'm still in contact with my managers. Okay, ex-managers. Right. Even now they say, Sagar, if at any given point of time you want to come back and join, please do let us know. We'll be more than happy. Okay. Okay. So you want to create a relationship like that? Yes or no? You don't. Santiwala doesn't want to create a relationship like that. You don't want to create a professional relationship wherein the customers, the manager, my manager, I've left the companies many years ago, but still are calling me because they want me, because of my SLA, because of my work. Yeah. Okay. She said mistake. Fine. All right. Understood, everybody, what is SLA? What is the most important part about SLA? Everything about SLA is important. Okay. Great. Okay. So EAT, web scraping, in data scraping, product launch, new launch. Okay. Great. 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 I think we have almost reached the end, because if you see, most of the things we have already covered. Okay. Okay. I think within this week we'll finish this. All right. All right. Excited, everyone? So today's homework, write down all the things we have discussed today, basically, till SLA. Okay. Now SLA, everyone has to write one piece of paper with only one information. Okay. This should be one report. This should be one report. This should be one report. One report. One report. One report. One report. One report. All this. Okay. So today we have completed a lot. Right. We have started with DNS or hosting. Right. We have started with DNS, domain name server. Okay, and we covered MX record, user accounts, all till SLA. We have covered a lot of topics today. Okay, so this is gonna be homework. Okay. Everybody check your WhatsApp and see if the messages you're getting. Clear, everyone? So now you have the SLA, you have the requirement. I've mentioned everything. Okay, great. So tomorrow we will start again. We'll start scripting. Go a little technical. Okay, EAT is a very big term. Okay, it's a big topic. So we'll try to start with EAT scripting, EAT web scraping, and all that. So yeah, so tomorrow is going to be exciting class. I hope that everybody is there. Okay, if you are able to contact Santisola, you please do let her know to join, and then we'll see how it goes. All right. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Yeah. Yes. What is it? Lipo. Please tell me. Please type. Guys, do you have any questions? Any questions before we wrap up at this session? Are you guys able to hear me? Yeah. Each topic is one page. One topic, one page. Okay. One topic is equal to one page. Obviously, one page to fill up one page, you need details. Put as much as these details you can. If you think the table works, good. If you think a diagram, then do put a diagram. Okay, if you think you want to draw a server like this to explain DNS, okay, then do make a server and explain DNS. Okay, understood? Clear? One topic, one page. Everybody clear? Okay. All right. Any questions? Anyone? Anyone else? Okay, great. So since no questions, what I would request you all, tomorrow we will start little technical words. So please make sure that homework, everything is done, and then try to go ahead and read about these from before. Okay, try to read about scripting, EAT, web scraping. So just read about EAT and what is EAT. Just type in EAT, or it's nowadays it's called EEAT. Okay, EEAT. So just type in Google what is EAT and EEAT. Just read about it before you attend the class. Fair enough? Okay. All right. Thank you so much again for joining in today. The recording will be uploaded soon. Today I'll go ahead and check the recordings of the previous classes as well. If in case you have any trouble, anything, please do let me know or contact me, and I'll be more than happy to help you. All right. We'll be available there for you. All right. So thank you so much. Good night, everyone. Take care. Correct, correct.